If you're a contractor using JobTread and you're still doing your manual takeoffs on a calculator, still hand typing numbers into your estimates, and your QuickBooks sync is a total disaster, you've invested in a Ferrari but are driving it like a golf cart. Give me the next few minutes and I'm going to break down exactly why your JobTread investment isn't paying off and the 3 things you need to fix it to actually get the ROI you expected when you signed up. So by the end of this video, you're going to understand the 3 traps that keep most builders stuck at 20% utilization, why software alone never fixes your full operations, and how JobTread can be turned into a command center for a business that runs without you on every single job site. Hey, I'm Grant Fullenbach with Go First. For those that don't know me, I've spent the better part of the last decade at the intersection of construction and technology. My background allowed me to start Drone Pros, a drone service built entirely for contractors. I've been in the dirt with builders, in the air with pilots, and through these opportunities have been able to see how new technology gets adopted. I've seen what works and what becomes expensive shelfware. Those experiences also taught me something critical. The problem is never the technology. It's the implementation. It's the adoption. It's change management. Builders don't need more software. They need systems that make the software stick. Now, with Go First, I help residential builders and remodelers enhance their back-end operations with AI and best-in-class tech built around platforms like JobTread. Builders working with Go First have recovered over 5.3 million in documented revenue, and our 6-week map delivers a minimum of 2,000 per week in value recovery, whether that's unbilled change orders, finally getting invoiced, or 10 plus hours a week back from manual admin work. So when I tell you your JobTread setup is leaving money on the table, I'm not guessing. I've seen it a few times. All right, so here's the 3 traps I see every single week. The first trap is that most builders calculate their prices using markup. They think a 30% markup means 30% profit. It doesn't. 30% markup only gives you about a 23% margin, meaning you're leaving money on your table before the project even starts. JobTread lets you enforce margin-first pricing. Trap number 2 is a formula phobia. JobTread has an Excel-like formula engine that can automatically calculate material quantities, labor hours, and costs based off of the square footage or linear feet of a project. Most builders never really touch it. They pull out a calculator, do the math by hand, and type static numbers into a budget. That's hours of manual work that should be done in minutes. And when something changes, they have to redo all of it. So trap number 3 is the QuickBooks nightmare. This is where I see the most damage. Cost codes aren't mapped correctly. Payments get duplicated because someone clicked add instead of match. Job costing reports are useless because the data can be corrupted. The connection between JobTread and QuickBooks is the most critical failure point in your entire operation, or at least it can be. And most builders set it up once, hope for the best, and never audit it again. So here's the thing though. None of these are JobTread problems. They're implementation problems. You turn the software on without designing any of the systems or the workflows around it. It's like buying a Ferrari and never learning how to drive manual. You've got a high performance machine in your own garage, but you're still moving at 5 miles an hour. We don't sell software. We install operating systems. We take JobTread's budget first architecture and build our 6 core systems around it. Margin first estimating with AI and parametric formulas, a QuickBooks integration that actually reconciles, AI powered financial forecasting, field tech training so your crew actually uses daily logs and time tracking, client portals configured to build trust and earn you those 5-star reviews. We use a framework called Craft. We audit your setup, design the workflows with you, layer in AI where it helps, field test with real projects, and train your team until they don't need us anymore. 6 weeks, then we're out, because my job is to become unnecessary. So if you're a JobTread user and you know you're not getting the ROI you expected, we'll audit your setup in 45 minutes and show you exactly where you're leaving money on the table. No pitch, just answers.